what email ID you can use in system.io. So system.io is a platform that gives you an option to send emails as well. You can build your sales funnels, and at the same time you can also do the email marketing. And to for email marketing you need to have an email address from which you will send your emails. So uh, if when it comes to emails, there are two types of emails. You have your free email ID and you have your professional email ID. So basically the free email ID is the email ID that you have, that you have, like your Gmail email ID, or maybe your Yahoo, or Hotmail. It could be any free service that is giving you an email ID. So maybe you want to use that email ID, or there is another option which is a professional email ID. So professional email ID is an email ID which you actually buy from a particular service. Or maybe if you have a website, you have a domain, you may create that email ID from that domain as well, or you can buy it from your domain provider. So basically that branded email ID is also another option that you can use inside system.io. So many people have this confusion that should can we use the free one, or should we only use the professional one? So let me clear it to you that previously in system.io you can only use the professional email ID. Okay, so for that you need to have a professional email which you have bought from any service provider or any domain provider. But now the system.io also allow you to use your free email IDs, like your Gmail email address or your Yahoo email address. You can also use that email address and you can send emails to your email list. So it's possible now inside system.io. And if you are just starting out and if you don't have the professional email, definitely you can go for your Gmail ID. You can go with your Gmail ID and you can start sending emails immediately. So I hope that you got the answer of your question. And also, if you are still not the member of system.io, and if you are not using system.io, I would highly recommend you to go and use it, because it's a great platform. I'm using it from past 2 years now. And definitely you can check the link in the description. I have a free funnel as well that you will get. It's a challenge funnel basically, and you can go and you can import this challenge funnel inside your system.io account if you will just go through my link. So you can definitely create a free account, and in future when you want, you can go with the paid one as well. So that's all for this particular video. See you in the next one. I have many other videos on my channel related to system.io, about funnel marketing and about digital coaching and consulting business. So just go and watch them. You may be watching a card on the screen, so just tap that card and watch more videos. Thank you very much.